My name is Roman Dubczak. I'm the head of global investment banking at CIBC. The biggest deal of 2017 for us was the initial public offering of Canada Goose. Canada Goose went public both on the Toronto and New York Stock Exchanges, raised $390 million, priced at not just at the top end of the range, we were able to price it above the range, but investors benefited as well because the stock, since the IPO, has traded up over 130%. Generally speaking, the market for new issues was relatively robust all across the board, both debt and equity. I think the companies that might have faced challenges in terms of raising capital would have been primarily in the resource-based sectors. I recall that the price of oil was depressed through most of 2017, and so that sector didn't raise as much capital as it traditionally does. Likewise, mining was not as robust as it had been in prior periods. That said, we're seeing a strong recovery in the commodity prices all across the spectrum. I think the global economic expansion is going to affect deal making, obviously, in a positive way as companies are able to be ambitious with their growth plans and acquisitions. And the global economic expansion is kind of driven by several exogenous factors. An expansion in commodity prices is based on an expansion in economic growth. The U.S. tax reform package that's working its way through Congress currently should be stimulative in terms of the amount of liquidity it puts back into the system. So those are two of the primary catalysts, I think, that'll be driving growth and financing in the North American markets in 2018.